Dr. Roy. Can I ask you to just come over? C.G. Brazil, thank you so much for joining us this evening. I'm going to ask you just to join me.
Yeah.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. I'm very thankful for this award. Consul General, I must say thank you very much. You know, I've had a long relationship with the Consulate here. I'm looking at the wall there from Mr. Heavens coming all the way down. And as we read about our organization, it all started here with Mr. Heavens at a meeting that I had with him, and I can't remember who the Minister of Health was, but 33 years ago, we sat down at his office here and said, we want to go to Jamaica to do some work, to help poor people. And it has just grown from, strength to strength, as you have read here. So I'm really, happy for this award. And I want to thank my family, my wife, my daughter, and for, staying with me all these years with all the work that we've been doing, and our president of the organization, Michelle James. So I just really want to be very thankful and to see, the youngsters coming on like Dr. Dixon and So I'm really happy to see, and we're looking forward to having, you youngsters on board and, and give back to the society. So thank you very much.